So I am going to do an extension tutorial. Right now I'm just spraying thermal heat spray. I'm going to put it on the first extension that I use as well because I am going to curl them. I'm going to brush this through so that I can protect my hair from the heat. And I'm just going to part where I want my bottom extension to go. So for the first extension closest to the bottom, I use the 4-clip one. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. We're just gonna throw this up first. Cute. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's probably not very good at it. So this one has 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna curl this, and then I'll be back to show you how to. All right, so these are curled. I'm going to open up my 4 clips and I'm going to put it in the back of my head. My 2 clips that are in the middle, I'm gonna feel where my hair parts, and I'm literally just going to push the clips down once it's in my hair. Let me show you over here. So my hair's drooping a little bit. I'm gonna pull this up and I'm just gonna like push it down. The clips have like little, it looks like a little comb, see? Where it goes down, and you push that down in your hair a little bit and then you just push the clip in. There, just like that. Now I'm going to take down the next section of my hair, curl it, and put the next layer of my extensions in. All right, now I'm going in with one of the 3 clips. Actually, I think they're these. There's 2 3 clips that come with this. And I'm gonna wrap this around my head and once again, bring the comb kind of down into my hair. So lift up, push down, and then clip it. And I'm gonna do the same thing all the way around. So it goes about halfway. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to part my hair again where I want it for the final layer of extensions on both sides. And then I'm going to curl, and then I'll show you how I put those ones in. So these are the 2 clip ones. There's 2 sets of 2 clips, so there's 4 of them. But the other ones, the clips are closer together and they're smaller. And I'm not gonna use those today. So with this one, we're just gonna, once again, slide the clip down onto my hair and clip it in. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the back. Simple as that. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Now I finished curling the top and this is the final look. I'm obsessed with these extensions, honestly. They're very well priced. They're super light. The band is very light and you can't really feel it. They're super easy to clip in and then take out at the end of the day without doing much damage to your hair. And honestly, like, I love the volume that it gives my hair despite the extensions being like lightweight and thin. So I'm gonna link them down below if you would like them. If you wanna see more, just let me know.